Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Talk, and today we will learn Java syntax, part of the Learn Java Programming from Scratch tutorial series. In the previous episode, we created a Java file called hello.java and we used some codes to print hello world. This is the code we use to print hello world in the console. Let's run this code again. And it's printing hello world. Let's explain the code we use to print hello world. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. In our example, we named the class hello with capital H. A class should always start with an uppercase first letter. Java is a case sensitive language. That's why to Java this hello and this hello different because of the language's case sensitivity. The name of the Java file must match the class name. So that's why hello.java contains a class with hello with exact spelling and case. The main method is required and you will see it in every Java program. Any code inside main method will be executed. You don't have to understand the keywords before and after main. You will get to know them bit by bit while watching this tutorial series. For now, just remember that every Java program has a class name which must match the file name, and that every program must contain the main method. System out print line. Inside the main method, we can use print line method to print a line of text to the screen, just like we use this one. The curly braces marks the beginning and the end of the block of code. So this curly brace is the beginning of the class and this is the end of the class. This brace is beginning of the method and this is this one for the end of the method, and each code statement must end with a semicolon, just like this. So this is Java syntax, and we can recap some important points. Java file must match with the class name within this file, just like this hello.java and hello class. Curly braces sits in the end and beginning of the any code blocks, just like hello class begins with this brace and this one ends, and this one is the beginning of the main method and this is in the end, and every statement should end with a semicolon. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the great opportunity to learn full course absolutely free. And don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestion, please do post it on the comment and I will get back to you ASAP. And you can also like my Facebook page and stay with me. Thank you very much.